Hello, today I will explain double subtraction. Double subtraction means what? Double means 2 times. Here 2 times subtraction sign is given. So 2 times do the subtraction. First take these 2 digits. પહેલા આપણે આ 2 digit લેશું 98 subtract 72. એ બંનેનું પહેલા આપણે subtraction કરશું 8 subtract 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6. 9 subtract 7. 7 after 8, 9. 2. This is simple subtraction. Now what to do? By moving arrow, put the answer over here. मतलब કે એરો સાઇનની હેલ્પથી આપણે જે આન્સર આવ્યો છે એને સાઈડમાં અગેન રાઇટ કરશું. એરો સાઇન પુટ કરવું કમ્પલસરી છે. Then another number which will be take 14. હવે બીજો કયો નંબર લેશું 14. Again put subtraction sign. Double subtraction means do both the sums of subtraction. Now 6 subtract 4. 4 after 5, 6, 2. 2 subtract 1. 1 after 2, 1. Answer is 12. Double subtraction means do subtraction sum 2 times. Now see another sum. 72 subtract 58 subtract 8. Now what we will do? હવે શું કરીશું? Same way double subtraction is there. So first take these 2 digits. 72 subtract 58. Now check. 2 subtract 8. Is it possible? No, because upper number is small. 2 માંથી 8 subtract ન કરી શકાય. That's why do the borrow from 7. Cut 7, write upside 6 and this 2 before 2. Our new number is 12. 12 subtract 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 4. 6 subtract 5. 5 after 6. 1. 14. Now what to do? હવે શું કરશું? By moving arrow write down 14 here. હવે 14 ને આપણે એરોની હેલ્પ લઈને અહીંયા રાઇટ કરી દઈશું. Now another number is 8. 8 is just single digit number. So where will we write? At the 1's place. मतलब 0, 8 and put the subtraction sign only. Double subtraction means do both the sums of subtraction. Double means 2 times. 2 વખત subtraction જ કરવાનું. Now 4 subtract 8. It is not possible. So borrow from 1. Cut 1. Write upside 0. 4 before 1. Our new number is 14. 14 subtract 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. मतलब 6. And 0 subtract 0. 0.